Hello, this is Eric with Lonestar Acoustics again. It's been a busy week for us here at Lonestar Acoustics. We took care of 2 installations in the North Dallas area of Allen. So really appreciate those 2 small businesses for allowing us to help with noise control and sound masking for their facilities. So here's some pictures of what everything looked like. The first installation we did was for a managed service provider, an IT company in Allen, and it turned out very nice. Before we started, you could hear conversations from one end of the suite to the other, and of course we took care of that with our QT Pro sound masking system by Cambridge. The second installation we did was at a farmer's insurance agency, and again the same thing. It was so quiet in there that you could hear conversations from one office to the next, from one conference room to the offices, just everywhere. So we put in the series of Cambridge emitters throughout the facility, and it turned out very nicely. So if you need any help with sound masking, noise control, feel free to reach out to us, 972-787-0808 or sales@lonestaracoustics.com.